this is Arohi. Welcome to my channel. After a really long wait, I finally received my very own iPad. So, in this video, you will watch me happily struggle to unbox the new iPad Pro. Enjoy! My new iPad Pro is the 12.9-inch Space Gray 2021 model, which is the 5th generation of iPad Pros. I got the 256GB version. Let me also tell you that the iPad Pro has the latest application processor, which Apple calls the M1 SoC, which stands for Systems on Chip. The M1 chip consumes much less power compared to earlier A14 Bionic chips, because the M1 chip is fabricated with 5nm semiconductor technology, which is the latest technology till date, and also because of its new architecture. This basically means that the battery life is significantly higher in the new generation of iPads, MacBooks, and iMacs. The other benefit is it also allows the user to use multiple applications at the same time without experiencing too much of a lag. But this benefit is noticed more in the new MacBooks and iMacs for video, music, as well as photo processing, and not really noticed by the average consumer. I should also add that I got the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, which you will now see me unbox. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.